Once upon a time, in a quiet village by the edge of a misty forest, lived a scruffy dog named Max and an elegant cat named Luna. They were as different as night and day. Max was clumsy and loud, always chasing sticks and barking at leaves. Luna, on the other hand, was graceful and silent, gliding through life as though the world existed solely to admire her. They shared the same cozy home, but they barely spoke. Luna thought Max was too noisy, and Max thought Luna was too proud. One foggy morning, their owner, Mrs. Willow, left the door open while fetching water. The fog outside was thick, wrapping the village in a silvery blanket. Max, curious as always, bounded out into the unknown. "Where are you going, you fool?" Luna called from the doorstep. "I'm exploring," Max barked. "Come with me." Luna rolled her eyes. "Exploring? You'll just get lost. You can't even find your tail half the time." But as Max disappeared into the fog, Luna felt a strange unease. She waited and waited, but Max didn't return. Sighing, she muttered, "Someone has to bring that oaf back." Luna followed Max's paw prints into the fog. The world was eerily quiet, the trees and houses fading into shadow. She called out, "Max, where are you?" "I'm here," Max's voice echoed, but it sounded far away. Luna quickened her pace, her fur prickling with every step. She found Max standing by a hollow tree, staring into the darkness inside. "What are you doing?" she hissed. "Listen," Max whispered. From the hollow tree came a faint, sad cry. It sounded like a kitten. "It's trapped," Max said. Luna peered inside and saw a tiny kitten, shivering and scared. Without hesitation, she slipped into the hollow, her slim body fitting where Max's could not. Carefully, she nudged the kitten out, and Max gently picked it up by the scruff of its neck. Together, they carried the kitten home. Mrs. Willow was overjoyed and took the kitten in, naming her Mishti. From that day on, Max and Luna saw each other differently. Luna realized Max's big heart was as strong as his bark, and Max admired Luna's bravery and grace. They became the best of friends, always looking out for each other, and for little Mishti, who loved them both equally. And so, in their cozy home by the edge of the Mishti forest, the dog and the cat lived happily ever after, proving that even the most unlikely friendships can bloom in the fog of life.